This Barbie is hot and glamorous.
We checked out what was going on at the Barbie premiere and asked fans which Barbie character matches their personality best.
Which Barbie character are you?
A curvy one.
I'm Ken, and Ken just Kens, doesn't he?
I'm just Ken.
I'm Barbie. I'm definitely President Barbie. I know that I'm headstrong, I'm powerful, and I will be making moves in the industry.
Dua Lipa, the Dua Lipa one. Because I like music and I like to sing, so she's perfect for me.
Why have you come to the premiere today?
Because it's Barbie and it's Margot Robbie and I don't know, do I have another reason? It's pink.
We've come on a romantic date to the Barbie premiere.
Barbie wanted to come, so I had to say yes.
I came to the premiere because I'm a film student like him, and so I'm a huge fan of Greta Gerwig and the way she writes female experiences. I love to see that represented on screen, and I think that she's just such an empowering female figure.
I think Barbie is such a universal character. You know, she's famous, she's powerful, she's feminine, and the fact that they've reinvented it for like modern audiences with like such a big cast, I think it's just like swept people off their feet.
I came to the Barbie premiere because Barbie is more than a movie, it's a lifestyle.
Fabulous.